Hello there, my amazing creative friend. So I have a question for you. Have you ever felt that itch, that nudge, that one whisper that says you've got something unique, something beautiful to offer to the world? Well, I know I did. So about 3 years ago, I was in your shoes. I was you. I was driven by passion. I was craving so much more freedom, and I really wanted to contribute with my unique skills, with my zone of genius. And guess what? I stumbled upon the realm of digital planning and selling those digital planners on Etsy. And boy, it felt like I had hit the jackpot. Not just because of selling the actual digital planners themselves, but what it did for my business and how it just excelled and accelerated my business growth. So let me pull back the curtain for a second. You see here on the screen, this is what is currently selling on the Etsy marketplace as it relates to the keyword GoodNotes digital planner. I'm just going to scroll down here. So this is one of the research tools that I use, Insight Factory. And you can see here some of the incredible amounts of sales that these Etsy sellers are having just selling digital planners that you can create as well. This is the marketplace and it's bursting with creativity and yep, you guessed it, revenue from digital planners. It's booming year after year after year. I was lucky enough to have an insider view thanks to my biz buddy and mentor, the incredible Michelle Raw of the Secret Our Society. So if this is the first time that you're hearing about digital planners and digital planning, please let me just share you a little bit of an insider view of what it's all about. So I just want you to imagine the charm and joy of paper planning, but without any paper. So that sounds really dreamy, right? A digital planner is essentially a beautiful planner, a PDF file designed to mirror the feel of a tangible planner. So think of creating it on your computer with software like Apple Keynote or Affinity Publisher. And then once done, simply export this as a PDF ready to delight everybody that loves using digital planners, okay? So what happens is users will open up these planners on a PDF annotation app like GoodNotes or NoteShelf, and then using a stylus, they can write or doodle and plan just like they would on a real planner. And all of the tabs are hyperlinked so that you can get that oh so satisfying flip through experience in your digital planner. So now here's the really exciting part. Michelle's digital planner kit makes this whole process an absolute breeze. And wait for it, as you can see here on the screen, she is running a massive 50% sale right now. I know this is so super exciting, right? So if you haven't got your hands yet on the digital planner template kit, now is the time to go ahead and grab it. I'm just going to run through the sales page here just briefly, just so you can get a look into what's included. So you can create your digital planners using Apple Keynote for Mac, InDesign for Mac or PC, and Affinity Publisher for Mac or PC. So they give you the template and then all of the tutorials and step-by-step videos on how to edit it and customize it so that it's uniquely yours. Okay, so it's got step-by-step tutorials, as you can see here. Digital paper textures are included. Realistic coils are included as well, and then templates for you to market on Pinterest and sell easily on Etsy as well. Okay, it's got commercial license included. Here is a little before and after if you wanted to flip through on what the before looks like. So here is the actual template, and here is an example of what the after could look like. Okay, so this is one of Amy's creation. So Amy is the co-creator of this digital planner template kit with Michelle, and this is one of the planners that she created. Okay, so if you haven't jumped into the digital planner template kit yet, I would highly recommend just jumping on over to the sales page here and having a deep dive look into what's included and to see if it's right for you. Now, I also just wanted to mention that if you are hungry for more and you really want to dive deep and immerse yourself and you want to turn this digital planner into a heart-centered business, then you can't miss Michelle's signature course, Passive Income Planner Girl. And guess what? Just like you can see here on the screen, it is also 50% off. So pretty much this is the next step. If you've got digital planner template kit and you want to dive deeper and you want to further your knowledge into creating a heart-centered business, and this is something that you might want to look into as well. So let's just scroll through this, and I just want to tell you a little bit of my story. So investing in both the digital planner template kit and this course was honestly a game changer for me. From being unsure and overwhelmed, it helped me to confidently navigate the Etsy marketplace with my unique digital planners. It's been a journey, and I really do wholeheartedly believe that it can be yours too. Now, before I send you on your way, I just want to point you to a couple more videos that I have all about the digital planner template kit and creating planners with the digital planner template kit. So if you just pop on over to my YouTube channel, which you should be on right now, you'll want to check out this video right here. So it's my step-by-step guide to creating the perfect digital product to sell on Etsy, which is a manifestation journal that I created using the digital planner template as a base to create this unique product. If you keep scrolling down, you're going to find a video here. So how to create a digital planner using the digital planner template kit. That gives my step-by-step process on how I import graphics and how I change fonts and stylize the actual planner itself to create something very unique to sell on Etsy. And I have a couple more other ones here if we keep scrolling down. So I've also got this product here, this video here. So how to make a digital planner that you can sell on Etsy. So that just runs through the digital planner template kit in more depth. So you can get a real good look into the template kit and how you can use it to create digital planners that you can sell on Etsy, similar to these sellers here that we can see here on the screen. So you can see in a 7-day sales period, this product here, this digital planner, has sold 349 sales. And we all know that they have a higher perceived value and they're a higher cost digital product. Most of the digital planners can sell anywhere between like $15 and $30. Okay, so depending on what kind of product that you sell. So if we scroll down, for example, Undated That Girl Planner, let's go and have a look at that. And you can also see here that these were actually created recently. So the release date for this one was May this year. So it's not even a really super old product in a super old shop, that's had sales for years and years and years. It's a relatively new digital planner. And it's getting these kind of sales, which is absolutely incredible. So if we have a look at this digital planner, for example, let's go ahead and dive on into this one. So you can see here, even with a 50% sale, this is retailing at $24.20. This is Australian dollars. But so you can see, even though it's got a 50% sale, this is such a high value, high quality product that can really bring in those sales. You can even see at the top here, a lot of these similar items, $24.20, $16.50, $35, got $24. So there's potential to make a grand amount of money selling digital planners. But even more than just the money alone, it is just the stepping point or the stepping stone. If you haven't yet started creating and selling digital products on Etsy, this is the start. This is the beginning of what could be an absolutely magical business for you, a magical online business for you, to help you get closer to your dream of time freedom and just living the life that you love, just like I have. Okay. All right, so all the links to all the products, so the digital planner template kit with 50% off, and also passive income planner girl with 50% off will be in the description box below. Additionally, I will link all of those videos that I have on YouTube, so you can also go and check those out. So remember that life's too short for what ifs. Embrace your imperfections, set those powerful intentions, and just be unapologetically you. Here's to your unique journey in the mesmerizing world of digital planners. Feel free to go on over to both the digital planner template kit and passive income planner girl to see if it's the right fit for you and to see how it could transform your ideas into something that is absolutely magical. Okay, have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will catch up with you again soon. Okay, bye for now.